hundreds of crashes as freezing rain and ice affects the metro area on a winter that just won't stop. And across the United States, we've had snow in California, ice storms across the Midwest. Here are all the crashes from the last couple days, and they're going to come at you fast. Another crash on camera every 4 to 6 seconds, including this previously beautiful pickup truck that smacked into the back of a plow. And this is a 9-car pileup, just barely on camera, but it all started with a pickup at the top of the ramp and multiple cars sliding in. We'll let the video play out. Make sure you don't miss out. Lots and lots and lots of crashes here and lessons for all of us.